We have the opportunity to do something different, to pitch an idea and get funding.
That combination of a super interesting problem and a super passionate community, that's why I do what I do.
Trying to explain to our leaders what it was we had realized sitting there at Villana.
If we're going towards mRNA and a lot of batches where you see, okay, 20, 40, 50, who knows? We cannot keep up with the paperwork. We need to do something. So my name is Katarina Stenklo. I'm a biochemist. I've been at the floor struggling to write down all the lot numbers, and that was a pain.
Today it's very, very manual. All of the extra steps around a instrument or what have you is still done manually. That needs to change.
The beauty of Per's Chronicle software is that it is removing the pen and paper. To have an iPad, scan, and get the number. Oh, that was like, oh, I want that.
So we met for coffee to talk.
So especially if you're a startup, you might be starting with a scientist like me, coming from, oh, I love this molecule and I'm going to make it great, but I need to document everything.
Yeah. With digital solutions, automation and what have you, I think that's where we really can help them.
Yeah, no, and I guess that's the future. Or I don't guess, it is the future. You need to go there, especially if you are going quickly.
Yeah. So what we did that day was really sitting down and went through a long conversation on what we see in the market from a CAR-T perspective and how that could link in and fit into the mRNA side. Maybe we could look at the solution we have for cell therapy when it comes to automation, which is effectively then Chronicle, and marry that with their hardware offering they have for mRNA on the bioprocess side, and with that being able to deliver a combined solution to our customers for mRNA then.
I would say that what I come with, my product, is the solution for making mRNA vaccines.
And then what my product is sort of complementing that with is that when you release a therapy for a patient, it's not only the actual therapy itself, you also need to make sure you capture every single step through the process that has made that therapy.
So together it is a factory, but also the documentation support, which means that now you don't have to wait 8, 10, 16 weeks to release a batch. So it was like FlexFactory plus Chronicle, yeah, we got a product, yeah. We have the opportunity to do something different, to pitch an idea and get funding.
This year's theme is Stronger Together. Our Innovation Accelerator, its 4th year already. And Innovation Accelerator is a hugely important program to Cytiva, our customers, and our ecosystem.
It's just about 10 minutes before presentation, and I'm pretty nervous right now. Having some dog candy to bribe the dog. Good luck.
Okay, an amazing proposal. And what question do you have for Team F1, Maria?
Yes, we got a lot of questions. We were standing quite firm on, again, that no one else is delivering this in a package. That they saw the need for this type of a solution.
So the good news is we're very interested. We want to do something here.
We made it through, and at the end they approved, but of course we need still to do the work.
Working close with the early adopters as much as we possibly can, and really learning from the market.
He knows the software, I know the process, and that's where we see how we can get the best out. So what we are doing today is we are installing it here at the Testa Center.
it's not only me and Katarina, we also have the team in Sundsvall who's been working extremely close to the client, the customer. The closer you can have the development team to the actual need, the better.
So great. That's it. And I'm feeling I've crossed the milestone this week and moving into the next phase of the project. So hopefully.
Now feel so comfortable to actually say that, hey, now we can start introducing this.
So today is actually a big day. We are doing a launch announcement, and I'm at the Biomanufacturing World Summit in San Diego.
Thank you for the introduction. It's a pleasure to be here, and I will talk about how digital technology can support small batch manufacturing of mRNA therapeutics.
When I was doing the launch presentation, I had a couple of customers coming afterwards. Yeah, this is exactly what we would need for our size of the company. This is where we have our struggles. I have known since before the pandemic that Chronicle had potential, but then with the new field of mRNA, we saw this opportunity. We got thrown into this. So the product is called FlexFactory for mRNA powered by Chronicle.
It's been a fantastic journey to work through and see customers coming back and say, yes, this is what we need.